That right there is Pizza Hut's air conditioner. You can hear it actually running. I'm unsure of what kind it is. It appears to be a side discharge, dedicated horizontal. There's the freezer thing. It's side discharge. I don't know if this place even has a walk-in freezer, but they have Comcast. Unsure of what stages, how many compressors it has. Probably 2 or 3. Can't get around, but it looks like a carrier or something. Then Dunsis painted it red. You can see right there that's a side discharge unit, in fact. But I don't know what it is. I really don't know what it is. I found it. It's on the roof. I know. There's 2. Jesus, that's big. I don't know what kind it is.
Don't go on the table yet.
I'm right here. I can see it from here. They appear to be older. And there's the freezer. Hey, the camera is sensitive. And there's the freezer component, and I don't know what that is. There's the air conditioner. Alright, thanks for watching.